This is the Transformers Masterpiece MP30 Cybertron Medic Ratchet by Takara Tomy. Picked up this figure at Our Toys, and here is a look at the packaging. A little bit banged up, that doesn't really matter. Pretty neat. And yes, he is the retool or redeco of Ironhide, which I've already reviewed. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. So I'm not going to delve too much on the features of this figure because we've already done an Ironhide review, and it's basically the same figure with it. And I'm just going to focus on the slight differences, apart from the obvious ones, for this figure. So here he is. Very, very nice. Nice looking Ratchet. That's a lot of nostalgia that comes with these Masterpiece figures. That's the reason I've decided to just get them. I'm still trying to backtrack some of the Masterpiece figures that I missed, but these new ones, they're really, really nice. So here he is, Ratchet. Size comparison, I mean, he's the same size as Ironhide, so don't really want to compare him that much with the other Masterpiece figures. Let me just plug in his butt. Okay, there you go. It's hard to shoot a oh, nice. Is that light? No, it's not. I thought it was light piping. His eyes are just really nice. They look like light piping. Okay, just for fun, let's compare him with other Ratchet figures. Here is the Transformers the Movie Voyager class Ratchet. And here is the NK, very dusty, NK Deluxe Class Ratchet, which is also the Generations Ratchet, or yeah, Universe Ratchet, I think. Okay, stand up. So he comes with where'd that go? Here we go. It also comes with a chest piece that you can put on right there, just like oh sorry, just like Ironhide with the dinosaur bones, and this one is like the cartograph. Beep beep. Okay. Trading card, very nice. Sticker sheet has those medic, the Red Cross logo. I didn't put it on. I'm trying to keep the figure mid because I'm not really planning on displaying this one at the moment. Comes with a coin, collector coin, much like Ironhide. And a very nice instruction sheet that discusses, just like Ironhide, discusses the different features of the figure. As you can see, you got laser pistols, the X-ray blaster, that's new for him, laser scalpel, static laser gun, which is also the same as Ironhide, arc welder, like the one I have on him, some spanners, the repair beam emitter instead of the radar dish that Ironhide had, repair beam emitter, missile launcher, cyber spanner, and magno wrench. Really, the cyber spanner and the magno wrench. Speaking of, sorry, my bad. Speaking of the accessories, here we go. Here is the welder. You can attach one of these things so you could be welding, spot welding something, or another figure, like fellow Autobot, stuff like that. Just like Ironhide, you can remove this and pop up the fist. He's got the cyber wrench and the Magnus spanner, whatever that thing was called. And each one has its own place in the display tray, or just like the old G1 toy. He's got the cyber pistols, laser pistols. He's got the what is this? The static beam emitter, whatever you call it. I just read it. Sorry, my bad. I keep forgetting. It's just those weird names. Arc welder, X-ray blaster, a lot of medical tools. X-ray blaster, he can hold each and every one of them. The static gun, another cyber wrench, cyber spanner, magno wrench. This is the static laser gun. No, laser scalpel, which he can hold. Very nice. I mean, and then the missile launcher, just like Ironhide, he can have it with the non-launching missile, which is just, I think, an homage to the old G1 toy. The repair beam emitter. That was funny, but it's pretty cool. So everything in its place on this tray. Alright, so those are the big differences. He does not have the extra hands or those chemical emitters that Ironhide had, so that's different. The biggest difference is these medical weapons that he has, and the wrench. But the laser pistols are the same, and this is the same. Okay, you can also mount some of the guns in alt mode. We'll talk about that later. So here he is. You can replace the face with a new face, just like Ironhide. A more cheerful looking Ratchet, not like the Transformers Prime Ratchet, who's old and grumpy. Okay, and this one seems to be tighter than Ironhide's. Ironhide's face seems to keep popping off. So articulation is basically the same. I'm not going to talk about it too much. Paint apps, he's white, very white, ivory, bone white. He's got some paint apps here and there. He'd look great with stickers, but I'm not going to put on the stickers. So very nice. It's a nice homage to Ratchet. Okay, so let's transform him. 7 minutes into the video, and the transformation begins. Okay, go ahead and I suppose you can rotate these first. The feet. Let's do the legs. Yep. Rotate. Rotate that. Oh. Make sure the thighs are aligned, and you can go ahead and join them. Like that. Okay. Yeah, so far so good. Alright. Detach his butt and expand that so it's easier. Okay. And then you want to do the arms. Open that up, close, and close, and it's gonna stay like that. Shouldn't be discussing this too much because if you've already seen the Ironhide review, it's basically the same transformation, but it's always fun to transform toys. Okay. Attach. Fold up, rotate, okay. Bend. Okay. And you're halfway done, almost, I think. There you go. Gotta walk. Oh, sorry. Oh, I forgot these. I keep forgetting those, just like with the Ironhide transformation. Interesting. Okay. And attach the arms. Make sure you hold them in first. Okay. And I made another boo-boo. Yep. You think after transforming that Ironhide, I would have already figured this one out. Keep forgetting these panels, and I keep forgetting the those locks right there. Okay. There you go. Getting so much stuff. Collapse. And finally, there we go. Already like sweating like a pig. 40 degrees here in Manila. Jeez. Alright. He seems to compress much better than my Ironhide. I don't know if that's something they fixed, but there seems to be fewer gaps on this Ratchet. The instruction says there is a way to mount the weapons. Yeah, I can put one of the laser cannons here. Is that so? Apparently not. Not on my... Yeah, there. Which is just funny. I'm not going to do that, right? And you can store them right there if you want to. So he'll have his blaster pistols in alt mode if you want to. So, very, very nice. I mean, if you enjoyed the Ironhide figure, the masterpiece figure, you are going to love this one. It's a nice redeco. I'm glad they didn't just repaint it. There's a new head sculpt, new weapons, and just an overall new aesthetic to this particular mold. The light bar makes you think that it is really, it can pass as a different mold, but it's really just a redeco. Much like the Datsuns that we got, Prowl, Blue Streak, and Smokescreen, but very, very nice. I'm actually very pleased with it. So there you go, folks. Hope you've enjoyed this little video review. The Transformers masterpiece, Cybertron Medic MP30 Ratchet by Takara. Thanks for watching.